Welcome to Drones Over Domes. Rising above Kyiv's ancient skyline, Saint Sophia Cathedral greets us with emerald domes, crowned in gold. Founded around 1037 by Prince Yaroslav the Wise, it anchored Kievan Rus' spiritual and cultural life for a millennium. Inside, 11th century mosaics and frescoes still glow, glass and pigment whispering the artistry of Byzantine. Beside it soars the cathedral's bell tower, 76 meters of white and turquoise Baroque grandeur raised in the 1740s. Each bronze bell once sounded alarms and celebrations, its peals rolling across the Dnipro's broad waters. From the tower's summit, Kyiv unfurls, golden cupolas, river bends, and the restless rhythm of modern streets. Through wars, fires, and Soviet decades as a museum, these walls guarded faith, art, and the city's story. UNESCO inscribed the cathedral ensemble in 1990, saluting its fusion of Byzantine brilliance and Ukrainian resilience. Saint Sophia Cathedral, where history, harmony, and hope rise together beneath Kyiv's open sky.